Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect the second device to your headphones JBL TUNE 770. So right here we have the first device, what connected with the headphones, and also have the application, but we don't need to use the application, and the second device what do not connect it with the headphones. So let's move to the Bluetooth. As you can see, we have connection with the headphones, and now let's connect it with the second device. As I said, you don't need to enable dual connection in the application. You need to only go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, but I need to tap at this button. And next, at your right ear cup, we have power button. So your headphone should be turned on, and then press 2 times the power button. 1, 2. We just enter to pairing mode, we hear the prompt pairing, and this LED light blinking blue. Next, you need to tap at your headphones at the device list and click Pair. And now, as you can see, we have both devices connected with the headphones, so we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!